Hi, sorry, can I have a minute of your time? Thank you. I'll get straight to the point. I'm sure you're busy, but it's important. There's something really crazy, concerning, ridiculous going on. Well, there's hundreds of things, but let's stick to the one thing that we could maybe do something about. Apparently, women over 50 are disappearing, becoming invisible. I know, it's like a Hollywood plot twist. You're noticed, you're needed, you're whistled at, you're even hit on, and then poof, a few years later, you don't exist. You're in the way. They wonder what the hell you're still doing here. Come here, stay with me, I'm not done. You see, it's about more than just women on screen. It's everywhere in our society. Some people, gentlemen, the youth of today, sometimes forget that we're their mothers, their sisters, friends, spouses. It doesn't seem to shock anyone, or for that matter, concern anyone that we become invisible. Nor, I might add, does it occur to us that when we judge other people, when we participate in ageism, we're forgetting that the very same thing in time will happen to us. And so why not be curious? Embrace it, admire it, celebrate it, respect it. Come back here, come on. I'm getting to the point, because even if you think I'm easy to dismiss as an angry, menopausal feminist, the fact is, I have never felt better. I've never felt more alive, in my skin, clear-headed, purposeful, free of self-judgment. And while my body might be surprising me and frustrating me sometimes, in truth, I feel like I have gained, not lost, gained. Gained perspective, confidence, wisdom, and definitely, if not more than ever, the desire to say, off. Hey, fuck off. I'm not going anywhere. Fuck off. I don't deserve that. Fuck off. I'm not going to disappear. I'm a voice and a mind and a body, stronger and more present and more unfiltered than ever. And if you can't see that, if you can't see me, then you can fuck off too, because I'm worth it. Okay, you can go now.